Saan ka mapupunta?
Sabi mo may bayaran 2,000.
Ay, Tao po. Ay, sir, hello po. Magandang hapon po. Nandyan po si Mami Elsa.
Ay, hello.
Opo. Sir, meron po kasi sir nagpapadeliver po.
Nang.
Dito pong dala namin mga foods po eh. Na nasa sa tray po. May tumawag lang po sa amin. Dito po pinapadeliver kay Mami Elsa.
Sino kaya yun?
Wala po sir tumatawag dito.
Kasi ayaw kong cellphone ko, kagating ko lang.
Ay sige sir, tutulungan ko na po kayong mag-open nito. Tapos sir, okay lang po na pumasok po kami. Sige po.
Ito?
Opo, luto na po sir eh. Nasa sa mga tray na po. Ay marami po.
Siguro yung mga anak ko yan. Padala galing Dubai. Taga Dubai ang kumuha ng order.
Hindi nga sir sinabi kung sino po yung yung nagpadala.
Ibabayaran pa kami.
Opo.
Mga ano kaya?
Parang 2,000 lang naman po. Parang yun lang po yung hindi nabayaran ng tumawag sa akin. Nasaan na po si Mami Elsa?
Ito.
Ay, hello ma'am. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon din. Sorry ha. Kasi bago kami makalabas.
Okay lang po. Sabi ko po
Parang tungkol.
Sabi ko po kasi kay sir, meron pong nagpadala po sa inyo ng mga pagkain. Naka-tray na po siya. May tumawag po kasi sa amin na dito po pinapadala. Eh ngayon po, tinatanong po ni sir
May bayaran dalawa.
kung bayad na. Sabi ko po, meron na lang pong remaining balance na 2,000. Ano po?
Okay.
Saan ka mapupunta?
Sabi mo may bayaran 2,000.
Ay kahit mamaya na ma'am.
Ha?
Apo, ibababa lang po namin yung pagkain. Ano po?
Ay, wala naman tayo rin paglalagyan dito.
Dito?
Ano ka ba naman? Dapat may...
Sige po, open ko lang po ito. Ayan, nasusurrend na. Happy anniversary po sa inyong dalawa. At ngayon po nga po ito, meron po kumuha na sa amin para maipamigay ang nais po nila magbibigay po ng regalo para po sa inyo. Ayan, so ito po ang balloons. At syempre po, may kasama po yun na po kayong flowers and nail flowers para po kayo sa inyo. Ayan, flowers para po sa inyo, ma'am. At syempre, ito naman po ang para kayo sa inyo.
Oo, for mami.
Ayan. So, mga dito po kayo, sir.
Hindi na eh.
Ayan. Tayo po kayo, sir. Dito na lang po kayo. Ayan. At dahil ang music po natin ay ngayon at pagpakailanman, iyan po talaga ang request song na nagpahati po ng regalo para po sa inyo. So ngayon po, pwede po kayong mag-dance, kayo po mag-asawa since anniversary niyo po ngayon. our dearest mom and dad, happiest 51st anniversary. It's indeed by the grace of God that you have come this far of being together. Our family had a share of ups and downs of this life, and God has sustained all of us. It was beyond imaginations how God's guidance was there all throughout. I pray that you'll keep your hands together up high to the Lord. I pray that Dad will always keep Mom close to his heart. Dad, Mom has been a big jewel to you. I pray that you'll love her so much as we love her of even more. Be the husband that protects, love and care your woman. You're so blessed. Dad, having Mom keep up with all these years. Patatayuan talaga natin si Mommy ng monumento. May you count more years of togetherness and work fully to have the Lord in your life and in hearts always. Happy 51st and more years ahead. With so much love, Ineng and Manny. Happy anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. Through thick and thin, you have shown us the value of loyalty and honoring the covenant to the family. May God bless you with many more years to value and cherish one another, appreciating each other's presence. May your love for each other sweeten and the bond grow stronger for each other in this new year of celebrating your life together. We love you, Grandma and Grandpa. Love, love, love. Happy 51st anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. It's so nice you grow old together. I hope this new year you guys can bond with each other and get to know each other. Not the factual things, but deeply know each other and find each other's presence. I hope Grandpa knows how lucky of a man he is, so marrying the most beautiful, loyal, and kind-hearted lady. Because in this time, it's hard to find women like that. I love you, Grandma and Grandpa. I hope you guys love each other more as the years go by and cherish the moments you have together. From Mia. Happy 51st anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. I'm so happy to know that we are all still together as a family spending time together home. It is a thank to you both that we are alive and thriving with happy memories. It is impossible to imagine a life without you both. Now, I have realized how important it is having a family, seeing you two together, the love we all share. I hope and pray that you both have a wonderful time together and the best anniversary and more anniversaries to come. I love you both so dearly and I can't wait to see you again. Once again, happy anniversary. Love, Emma. Happy 51st anniversary, Grandma and Grandpa. I hope you enjoy the times of being together. Grandma, I want to say thank you for being the joy of our family. Grandpa, I want to say thank you for all your help in the farm. Now that you're celebrating your wedding anniversary, I wish you long years of life and togetherness. I love you both. Love, baby. Happy 51st anniversary, Mom and Dad. Today, we celebrate more than just the number of years you've been married. We celebrate a lifetime of commitment, patience, sacrifice, and love that has grown stronger with time. 51 years is an incredible journey. It's years of choosing each other not only on the easy days, but especially on the hard ones. Years of building a home where love, respect, and family always came first. Through every challenge, you stood side by side. showing us the marriage is not about perfection, but about partnership. Growing up, we didn't just hear about love, we saw it. We saw it in your teamwork, in your quiet sacrifices, in the way you supported each other without needing recognition. You taught us what perseverance means and how two people can grow together. Your marriage has been a foundation for our family. It gave us stability, guidance, and a powerful example of what it means to commit fully to each other and to the people you love. The values you live they shape who we are today, and for that, we are endlessly grateful. As we celebrate 51 years together, may you take pride in that life you build and legacy you continue to create. Your love story is one of the strength, faith, laughter, and endurance, and it continues to inspire everyone around you. Thank you for loving each other so deeply and for showing us what lasting love truly looks like. With all of my love and admiration, E.R. Ayan, si Sir Evan Ryan. Ayan, so ngayon po, 51st anniversary niyo po, muli po ulit kayong naalala ng inyong pong mga mahal na mga anak, mga apo. Sino pa po ba ang nakaalala na nasa Dubai?
Money, manugang.
Ayan, at syempre, hindi lang mga anak at mga apo kundi ang mga manugang niyo po na talaga namang mahal na mahal po kayo. Muli-uli po kayo lang pinadalhan ng isang napakagandang regalo ngayon po 51st anniversary nyo. So ngayon po, ano po ba yung gusto niyo pong sabihin para sa kanilang pagmamahal sa inyo?
Ikaw muna ka. Tagalog.
Salamat sa inyo mga mahal. Salamat mo kami. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi ko ito malilimutan hanggang sa paglubog ng araw. Salamat mga anak ko.
Money.
At sa iyo rin Manny, salamat.
Sa mga ako bang bigay mo.
Sa iyo Emma, Lam, Gidi, Nia,
Ang sinig.
and you in and Nia. Salamat sa inyo dalawa. Sa inyong lahat, salamat.
Wala na yata akong magasabi. Nagtiklema ko ang ano natin pag nagsasalita. Okay. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Diyan sa Dubai. At sa inyong pag-alaala sa aming anniversary. Wala akong masabi. Nagtaka kami, bakit may nagdo-doorbell? Eh, hindi kami makalabas agad. Di, sabi ko, sunod-sunod ang doorbell. Ano ba yun? Lumabas si Daddy. Tapos, nagulat kami, may padala na naman kayo. Naku, talagang ang mata ko hindi mag-stop ang flow ng luha. Noon kasi yan, dahil naalaala niyo kami sa aming anniversary, kayong lahat, kay Ining, si Manny, si Love, si Nia, si Emma, si Katie, si E.R., si Bunso. Ngayon, eto na naman kami. May food na naman na pagsasaluhan. Dahil, sa totoo lang, sabi nga namin, ba, 51 na pala kami. Ang isip namin, 50 lang. Yung pala, lumampas na kasi 26 na pala. So, everyone, I want to say thank you, and thank you so much. Everyone that I love more than my life, and I can give my life to them. Sorry if I like this. I just stop my eyes by crying. And it's unbelievable that we have received these graces. And that is from you, my loved ones, our loved ones. Now, year 2026, I hope and pray that we're all in good health, especially all of us. Sorry, because I don't stop. I pray and pray. I don't know. It's very hard talaga na I cannot speak because I was so amazed. All of this from you. Thank you so much, kids, and Elaine, and PR, and everyone, and especially Manny. Thank you so much. And God bless us all.
Sa iyo, anak. Boom.
Ang ate ko, sorry for everything.
Lumayo ka man, hindi ka kalimutan. Mahal kita.
Si Angel,
Ikaw hindi.
at saka yung dalawang ako. Siyan at saka
Siyan, sa inyong dalawa. Hinihintay ko kayo dito. At kayo lumayo ko. Mahal ko kayo. Hindi ko kayo nakakalimutan. Maging sa pagtulog ko. Para kayo lumayo. Para niyo akong inalimutan. Pagtanda kami. At hindi na tayo magkakasama ng matagal mo kayo lalayo. Dahil akong matanda na. Hindi na ako makapunta pa dyan sa inyong lugar. Salamat na anak. Sana hindi mo kami matiis. Bago lumubog ang hinihintay na araw. Salamat na. Hihintayin ko kayo.
Ayan. So, once again po, Ma'am and Sir, happy anniversary po sa inyo.
thank you.
Ayan, at dahil na 51st anniversary niyo po, make a wish po, and then sabay niyo pong i-blow ang candle. Ayan, so once again po, happy anniversary.